we gotta use these clues to find the hidden item.
Alright, so what's the first clue?
It's the 23rd letter in the alphabet.
23rd. So you start counting, start doing your
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, W.
It's the letter W. Wait a minute.
What?
Right there, the letter W is on this tunnel.
Wait, we should go in then.
Yeah, so we'll find items that have the letter W on them. I wonder what it could be. So let's go in here and look for things with W on them. Alright, so we gotta go through the tunnel. Wait a minute. There's Wiggles.
And Waggles.
And Waggles.
And Waffles.
And Waffles. Ooh, it looks like Waffles actually got out. So wait a minute. Wiggles, Waggles, and Waffles all start with what letter?
W.
The letter
Look guys,
W.
I have a ball.
The letter W. That's right.
Waffles. Waffles like a ball.
So look, there's Waffles, and then Waggles, and Wiggles I think just left.
Waggles. Waffles. Look. Get the ball. Oh.
Hey, and up there, what's that?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Wreck-It. Wreck starts with the word W, the letter W, even though
Yay.
it sounds a little bit like R. Let's put him down and see if what he does with the doggies. All right, so you push his foot.
My name's Ralph, and I'm a bad guy.
Waffles.
I'm gonna wreck it! Ah!
Waffles.
He's gonna get you, Waggles.
Waffles.
You want me to help you?
What do you think about that?
I
Waffles?
think she says no.
I don't make things, I break things.
So Wreck-It Ralph wants to play with Wiggles, Waggles, and Waffles. That's a lot of W's. But you know what, assistant? We've got more clues that we need to go find the answers to.
We do?
We do. So this is the W room, right?
Right.
All right, let's go see if we can find the next one. Wiggles and Waggles and Waffles. Waffles and Waggles. Would you like to go? You can if you want to. All right, let's go. Hey, assistant, on the left, before we look at the next clue, it's our science area.
Over there?
Yeah, let's look. Darth Vader's is guarding it. So show me the phases of a ladybug.
Okay, of a ladybug. Let's put it down here. So, first they start off
As what? They start off as these
as an egg.
as eggs, right? So they're eggs on that. And then they become these larvae that they look like bugs and they walk, right?
Yep, and then they become a ladybug.
They become a ladybug. And assistant, one of the other cool things we've done here is we made color changing charms. Like this one right here. When we use a black light or a UV light, what color do you think it'll become?
I don't know, let's check it out.
Alright, so there it is. Right now it's clear.
It turned purple!
It turned a dark purple.
Cool.
So that's some of our science experiments. You can see those on our YouTube shorts, right?
Right.
Alright, so next we have to find what? Our next
clue.
Alright, so you gotta go across the floor as lava.
Come on, dog, this way.
Waffles, you're on the lava. Silly dog.
Get off the lava, come on.
She's got special paws.
She's just standing. Okay, next up
So, what's the clue?
is the 19th letter in the alphabet.
So what's that?
S.
The letter S, right?
Right.
So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S.
Q, R, S. That's right.
Here's the letter S right here.
So this is the S room, but how do you get in there?
Maybe through the secret tunnel.
We gotta go through the tunnel, right, to get into the S room. So all the things that we're gonna find in here start with the letter S. All right. I see one right now, assistant, on the ground.
Skye!
Skye, right? From Paw Patrol. She takes to the sky. Oh, let's hold her up. So there is Skye. Wow. Waffles. Is Skye your favorite member of Paw Patrol? Let's let her.
Go!
Do you like Skye? Do you like Skye? She does. I think I see another S right behind you, assistant.
Slime!
Slime! That's right. Slime also begins with the letter S.
Ooh, this smells good. Should we keep looking for more S's?
Look at that slime. Hey, it matches your fingernails even, doesn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
So that is, wait a minute,
Slime.
slime, right?
Right.
All right, I think I see another S right behind you.
Stormtrooper!
That's right, it's a stormtrooper from Star Wars. That also starts with the letter S.
Yeah!
He's a pretty tall stormtrooper.
Waffles think so too.
Waffles, are you scared of him? I bet you would. A lot of
They
times,
sat down at the same time.
they like to bark at things,
Yeah.
like stormtroopers. All right.
Or
let's-
storms.
Or storms. Wait, we're on that tree. What's that?
Sloth!
It's a sloth. All right, I think if you put him down and touch his nose, he'll do a special dance. Let's see, it's a doggy, so we'll like.
Got Waggles.
All right, so here's the sloth.
It's flossing!
Waffles. Waffles, can you floss? What do you think, Waffles? I'm sorry, Waggles. What do you think? Let's try it one more time. Waffles, look. It's like flossing in slow motion.
They're interested in the camera.
They're more interested in here. Or maybe the thing's over here. The next
Whoa! Spider-Man!
S is Spider-Man and the Spidey web quarters, right?
Right. So here's this Spider-Man's taller than Waffles too. Can you see
Is
me?
it really?
Yeah. Can you see me?
I can't. So there is. Oh yeah, there's the assistant with Spider-Man.
Let's look at this web quarter.
Yeah, let's look at the web quarters here. So I think you can put
Whoa.
Spidey inside of it, right?
Okay. We gotta turn this around. Hold on. Oh, it's up here.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, gotta put him in.
So you can put Spidey in. Let's see what happens to him. Spidey, watch out, Waffles. We can't see Spidey. Ready?
Time to
Activate!
What? Where did he go?
ta-da! He disappeared.
Try it again, assistant. Try it again.
Okay.
Look, there's no Spidey there.
Leave the web spin die!
There he is!
Yeah.
That's so cool. You made Spider-Man appear. Waffles is amazed, and so is Waffles.
Whoop.
Pretty cool. So that, you turn around the Spidey web quarters?
Yeah.
Whoa, look, and those, I see Green Goblin right there.
Green Goblin.
Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, there's Spidey. So push the blue button, what happens?
Hold on.
Time to spin some web!
Oh, wow.
Now the red button.
Spinners, activate!
Spider-Man.
Oh, that's way cool. So that is the Spidey web quarters, because Spidey starts with the letter S.
And then here's a trapdoor.
Oh, I think they missed this, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh, that is a trapdoor. So the Spidey web quarters starts with S. So did Skye and the Stormtrooper.
Skye, slime, sloth.
Yep. All right. Let's go. You're gonna go down the slide
Yeah.
because that also starts with the letter what?
S.
S.
Here I go. Whee! Whee!
Whoa. You're over there. Good job. So now we've got to
Next
go
clue.
look for the next one. Watch out for the lava. Good job.
It's the final clue.
It's the third letter of the alphabet.
ABC. It's C.
A, B, C. And it's just that there is a secret room. We don't even have a clue for it.
Where?
And you're gonna have to find it. You
Is
gotta
it through
figure.
this tunnel?
Maybe so, and you gotta figure out the letter for it too.
C.
I know, but not for the secret one. The secret one, you gotta guess the letter.
Ooh.
This isn't the secret one, but we'll go into the C room, right?
Okay. look, another ball pit, Waffles.
It's a ball pit. And who's inside of it?
Cookie Monster!
Cookie Monster! Cookie Monster. Let's see. Waffles really likes Cookie Monster. Waffles, you ignored everything until then.
Ah!
That's so silly. So Cookie Monster starts with the letter C, right?
Right.
All right. So I think there's something right there that also starts with C.
What? A crab?
A crab. All right, let's turn him on and see what happens.
Okay. Get him, Waffles.
Waffles, the crab's right there. It's a dancing crab. Waffles, get the crab. Waffles.
Oh, it's going so fast.
I ran into Cookie Monster. I can't even keep it up. That crab is so fast. Crab starts with the letter C.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, Waffles found something else that started with the letter C.
Chase.
Chase is on the case. Chase from Paw Patrol. So we found 2 members of Paw Patrol.
Nice.
Chase and Skye.
All right, crab. So, is that everything that starts with C?
I think so. So we found Chase, the crab, and Cookie Monster. Now we gotta find the secret room that has the secret in it that we have to figure out the letter. You ready? You think you can do it?
Yes.
Me too. Let's go.
Do any colors start with a C?
Crimson.
Is that like a red?
It's a red. All right. Color starts with the letter C. Off limits. Do not enter. I think that's a way to try to keep us out, assistant, but I think we're supposed to go into it.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What? There's so many toys in here that all start with different letters.
There are so many items in here that start with different letters.
Items.
So wait a minute, right there, who's that first one?
Oh, wait, never mind. It's Blippi.
Blippi. That's right.
And then we have Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. Buzz starts with a B, doesn't it?
And then we have Blaze.
Blaze. And this Blaze will fly, right? So we push him in. He takes to the sky. Woo.
Whee.
And then he closes up and go down.
Wait, how does his thing go back up? Do I just... Oh. Look, watch his wings. Ready?
Yep.
So 2 of these things can fly, too. Okay, ready?
Oh, wow, that's way cool. So Buzz, Blaze, and there's one more over here.
Bluey!
Bluey, so what do you think the secret letter is, assistant?
B, the second letter.
The second letter, because we have Blaze, Bluey,
Blippi.
Blippi, and Buzz Lightyear, right?
Right.
So the secret letter is B.
B.
All right, so which of these rooms was your favorite? B?
The W.
W for Wiggles, Waggles, Waffles, and Wreck-It Ralph?
Yeah, of course.
I think so too. All right, so what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.